Congratulations on making your fleet safer and more efficient with your new vehicle gateway. Getting set up is simple, and we'll walk you through every step of the way. Today we'll go over connecting, mounting, and initializing your device. Inside your box, you'll find the installation manual, vehicle gateway, zip ties, and alcohol swabs. The appropriate cables should have been shipped separately and will match your vehicle's unique configuration. Before we dig in, make sure that a vehicle gateway is assigned to the vehicle you'll be installing in. Visit the Motive Fleet dashboard and click on the Admin tab from the bottom left corner. Select the Vehicles tab on the left. If you have previously added vehicles for your company, you may click Options and then Edit Vehicle. If you want to add a new vehicle, select the Add Vehicle button and fill in the required details on the new page. In the Vehicle Profile under the Vehicle Gateway Assignment section, tap on Assign Vehicle Gateway and choose which vehicle gateway you want to assign to the vehicle. Each vehicle gateway has a unique serial number printed on the bottom of the device. Select the correct vehicle gateway and click Assign. You can also enter the serial number into the search bar field to narrow your search. When you're finished, click Save. Before you begin installing, make sure to turn off the vehicle and engage the air brake. The first step is to determine if you want the vehicle gateway to be visible or hidden. Available locations vary depending on your specific vehicle. Some locations that may work include on the dashboard, behind the diagnostic port, concealed either above the speedometer, behind the instrument cluster, or in the fuse box area. Once you've decided on the location, you'll need to determine the type of connection. For older vehicles, you'll likely need to connect to the 9-pin diagnostic port, which is typically located to the left of the footwell and sometimes hidden behind a removable plastic panel. Most newer trucks utilize manufacturer-specific diagnostic cables that must be attached to a specific third-party diagnostic port. Refer to your vehicle manual for the location and requirements. These ports are often located near the vehicle's fuse box. If connecting to the 9-pin diagnostic port, you can either do a direct connection with a straight cable or use the Y-splitter cable to leave the diagnostic port accessible and facilitate a covert installation. Remove the panel and take note of the shape of your vehicle's diagnostic port. It will either have a square flange bearing or a threaded flange bearing. One of the Y cable's female connectors will match the shape of the port in the vehicle. Attach the Y cable to the vehicle's port. Now you are ready to run the 15-pin connector end of the cable to the vehicle gateway. Insert the 15-pin connector into the corresponding port on the vehicle gateway and secure it with the thumb screws. The LED lights will turn on to show that the vehicle gateway is connected to the vehicle. Remove the backing from the adhesive strips on the back of the vehicle gateway and mount the device in the desired location. Use the included zip ties to route the cables and keep everything tidy. Remove the panel covering the instrument cluster. Route the cable behind the dashboard to the covert location. Connect it to the back of the vehicle gateway and secure it with the thumb screws. If you're installing a dash cam, now is a good time to do that before replacing the panel. Then reattach the panel. If your company doesn't track hours of service, you're all done. If your motor carrier is required to have an electronic logging device, please download and open the Motive Driver app from your phone or tablet and sign in using a driver account provided by your fleet manager. Tap Select Vehicle in the upper right corner. Search for the vehicle you have installed the vehicle gateway in. Select the correct vehicle. You will now see the selected vehicle in the current vehicle area of the app and a green two-way arrow icon and LED text indicating the gateway is successfully set up. and has been paired with your phone. Now that you're fully onboarded, fleet managers can track the vehicle by logging into Fleet View on the Motive Fleet dashboard. Locate the name of your vehicle by using the map or the search box. You can select the vehicle to access its live location info, follow mode, detailed info, and trip history. You can also access this information on the Motive Fleet app. That's it. You're all done. Any questions? We're always here to help. For additional documentation and support, go to gomotive.com/VG-install.